Good morning everyone. My name is Rachna Rana from Maples Academy. I'm English teacher here in Maples Academy, and today my topic was the recycling wrap. Recycling wrap means the wastages that we use at our home, but now the articles are now not useful anymore. But my little children, all the classrooms, all the students from all the sections have prepared all these beautiful activities. So without wasting our time, let's start. Let's know for more about activity with our students. Let's move.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ujjwal Goyal from class 8 Sky, and today I am here to tell you the process of making a sand clock with help of some waste material. So first, the material is required for making a sand clock: 2 spare bottles, a cardboard box, knife, a hot glue gun. So first, cut the upper part of the bottles with the help of a knife and make 2 teeny holes in the caps of the bottle, and then paste with the hot glue gun. And take the cardboard box and cut the 2 pieces of this and color them and fill the sand in this and paste them also with hot glue gun, and your sand clock will ready. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Ikansh from class 8 Sky. Today I am here to tell you about my activity that is inspired from the chapter of English. The name of the chapter is a recycling wrap. If you want to make this, material required 2 CDs, 5 pieces of thread and 1 bottle of Fevicol. If you want to make this at home, you have to follow 2 steps. Firstly, cut the CDs in moon and star shape with the help of scissor and paste. Secondly, and paste it with thread with the help of Fevicol. Now your wall hanging is ready, that is fully made up of waste material. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Thakur Nikunj from class 8 Sky. Our topic is recycling wrap. So I made the Rajasthani magician showpiece with waste material. So the material is required for it: cardboard, pen, refill, color, hot glue gun. So cut the pieces according to this and paste. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anandita Tyagi from class 8 Sky. Today I am here to tell about my activity. So I made pen holder with the help of waste material. The material required a cardboard sheet, color paper and Fevicol, scissor and sketch pen. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Navatyagi from class 8 Sky, and I have made this pen holder as our topic said recycling wrap. So I have used some recycled materials, and the material required for making this pen holder is a plastic bottle, a cardboard sheet, and I have used acrylic paints to color them. You can also use color paper to paste around it, but I think acrylic colors would be much more convenient. So for making this, firstly I paint the cardboard and a plastic bottle, then I paste these eyes and a cute smile, and this is how you make a cute pen pencil holder, and you can use it in many ways. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Manvi Tyagi, a small representative of class 8 Sky. Today I am explaining you the process of making this wall hanging for class. So the material used for making this wall hanging are a square piece of cardboard, some waste wedding cards and some colorful sheets, glitter pen and some sketch pens. First of all, I cut a square piece of cardboard and I cover this with fully white paper. Then I take wedding cards and I written something on this, like you can write your class name and some also things. Then I will paste stickers and some flowers to make it more attractive. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ishika Pawar, a student of class 8 Sky, and today I am here to explain my activity. As the topic says, recycling wrap. I made this by waste cardboard and papers. The motto of making this is the tree trunk indicates the 8th sky, and the leaves indicates my classmates, and these flowers indicates the teacher. This whole indicates my whole class. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Divyanshi Tyagi, a student of class 8th Sky. I explain you how I make this activity based on our topic, the recycling wrap. The material required in this activity is wool, plastic bottle and ribbon and papers. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. I am Ayush from class 8 Sky. My activity is a jewelry box. I have made it from some waste materials just like some waste jewelries and wool. take the jewelries and paste on it and paste them properly, and you can decorate it. We can use it like this, and we can also close it. Thank you.